guys, I'm with Neely in Boston. Today we're going to be doing a squishy challenge. Show me y'all's hardest squishy. Okay, now bang it on that. Okay. Show me y'all's ugliest squishy.
P.S. These are all my squishies. Not
This is for that. Show me y'all's cutest squishy.
giant dumplings.
The jelly lumps. Cute. Show me y'all's rarest squishy.
The giant apple.
Kirk!
Y'all can stay in here.
Red glitter. That was our squishy challenge.